What's up, everyone? It's Adam from So Many Tech. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix a not secure website. So, since 2017, I believe Google introduced the SSL certificate or enforced the SSL certificate. If you don't have a SSL certificate, Google will show not secure on your website. So when people log into your website and then when they see not secure, they'll be afraid to use website. They will be afraid to continue to your website. So today is not about how to install your SSL certificate, it's just how to fix it. So right now, this website, it says it's my friend's website. It says not secure, although he has SSL certificate installed. So what you do first is just go to the cPanel and log in, and then go look for SSL, and then go to SSL slash TLSS certificate. Status, click on it, and if you see all your domains, including the mail dot your domain name, the www dot, and without www dot, if you see an icon with the red, so all you have to do is just click on the one beside it, the one that says, the one is showing red. Red means it's not certified yet, and then click on run auto SSL or whatever your website hosting provider is using. So my own website is B6 hosting, and if you use B6 hosting, you get free SSL certificate. Not only free, you got it automatically. You don't have to do anything. You just join my website, and then you will get it for free and automatic. You don't have to do anything. So since we have all the domain names in green, that means we have valid certificate. It is valid until June 14, 2020. So what's the problem then? Go back to your website and then install this plugin to fix it. You see, when I log into the dashboard, it's changed it to the lock. That means it's secured. But when I go to the website, it says not secured. You see, it says not secured. So how we fix this is very easy. We're going to use a plugin called Really Simple SSL. So go to plugins, add new, and then look for Really Simple SSL. I misspelled really, really. So really simple, which is this one here. The first one on the left side. Just install it, then activate it. So it is installed and activated. Let's click on settings. You see it says enable a Dutch whatever WordPress directed settings to create 301 redirect. So ignore that and go ahead and activate it, SSL. So right now we have all in green except two. All you have to do is just click on enable. Make sure you choose this and then save. Now let's go to the website and see if it still says not secure. Ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully deleted or got rid of the not secure message that we getting earlier. So now everything is look perfect. And thank you very much for watching. And do not forget to subscribe and share with the buddies, friends, families. Since you're staying at home, just share with them. And thank you very much again. And see you in another video. Adam from So Many Tech. Thank you very much.